Hey everyone, I'm Jordan, and this is part 6 of cycling across Southeast Asia.
Welcome on board to Teluk Kampi.
In the last episode, we arrived at one of Malaysia's biggest cities, the coastal island capital of Penang, Georgetown. Walking down the streets of Georgetown reveal a collage of street art, historic storefronts, and colonial architecture. It was also one of the most walkable of any of the cities I visited in Malaysia, as well as having a reliable public bus network that helps move locals and tourists alike.
Oh, thank you. Busy bus stop, yeah. If you want to.
After a quick lunch at one of the city's many small family-owned vegetarian restaurants, we started our hike to the highest point of the island, Penang Hill.
So we are hiking Penang Hill. The funicular is closed. Well, that's the old funicular, but it's closed for maintenance. So we're doing a bit of a hike, maybe an hour or 2 or 3 or 4. It's hot and sweaty. Our crew is in good spirits though, and we have a nice big view and some nice breeze. I think things we're feeling pretty optimistic about it, right?
The hike was challenging but rewarding, and I would definitely recommend it.
I didn't expect this place to have so many people here.
Normally you could then take the funicular back down instead of walking like we did, though it did help us work up an appetite.
Nothing's very tense. That's good.
The history of any place is inherently so intangible. The countless number of people, of stories, of food, family, friendships, and heartbreak all linger as imperceptible memories of the past. My time spent in Georgetown, meeting new people and exploring such a beautiful and vibrant city, created memories that will add to that history in the most mathematically insignificant way. But they are memories that I personally will cherish forever. Thanks again everyone for watching part 6 of cycling across Southeast Asia. In the next episode we will spend our last days in Malaysia and enter Thailand for the first time. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.